Hey guys, so today we'll be playing Noob Train. I like this game actually. I played it before, but yeah, I'm gonna introduce you to it if you don't know. So I'm gonna put my monster at 200. That's enough. Yeah. So 1 noob, 2 noob, 3 noob. What about 10 noob? 50 noob. And look how satisfying that is. Oh my gosh. Whoa. And after that, they go crazy if you if you don't follow the rules. They go crazy. So I'm gonna put it at 1 noob. Make my seed 100, 500, and trail blue. Okay. So so I'm gonna have to run. Oh, I forgot. Jump power needs to be 50. 500. So I'm gonna have to run so he doesn't chase me. So we're playing a game of tag pretty much. Run. Okay. Oh no! I got stuck. No! Oh my God! It's right there. Oh God! Run. Oh, he's right there. Oh, okay. He's going over there. That means I can make a run for it. I can make a run for it. Go. Okay, I think I'm safe at this corner. Yeah, I'm safe. I need to fix my Where are you anyways? Is he stuck? Oh, he's right there. What are you doing? Oh! He's coming. Okay, I'm just gonna run there. There's no time to waste. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm safe here, right? Oh! No, he's right there. Okay. Enough with that. Okay. I'm gonna 360. Oh! You saw that? Like, let me spawn. Can I? Then whee! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Looks like fireworks. I love just jumping. I just saw a guy right there. I don't know why. Yes. No, please. Yes. Hold on. Run it. Make a run for it. I'm getting kind of hungry. This video might be short, but let me up, please. Okay. Look at all this. Wait, what if you just? What if you no jump? Just run. Wait for them all to not jump. No, I thought that was a ramp. I want to go on a ramp. Oh, where's the ramps? Please. No. Oh. And I don't know why I'm a tree. I just tried to be invisible. Oh my. Go. And bam. Okay, run. Well, what is happening? Why is it so glitchy? What? I'm keeping it there. We look how inch I am from the ground. Okay. Well, that's it. I think that's enough for Noob Train. Goodbye, guys. See you next time.